everybody. At Tiki Tim's making some drinks. I don't know where the hell anything is behind this bar, so bear with me. I'll find it, because you know what? That's what I do. I find stuff. Alright. Tequila. We're going to have a strawberry margarita. I'm sorry, a George's strawberry margarita.
I don't think that's enough tequila.
That's pretty strong, that one right there. We're splitting that with a friend. Got an El Humidor. It's our buddy Dustin Hall. And then what do you got here? You got to shake this up. This is George's strawberry margarita daiquiri mix. Oh my gosh, look at that. 2 cups of California strawberry puree right in there. What is it, 4th of July Saturday?
Yeah.
This is going to be fun. Is it before noon?
It is before noon, I think.
that's the party. Now, as a bartender, I make sure I always do the one thing the right way. I always shake up the cocktail first. Make sure you do that. Some bartenders think that you can just, get over here, Grimmy. Some bartenders, not Grimmy, some bartenders think you can just put the one thing on top of the other and you got a drink. You need a homogeneous mixture, right? Not a heterogeneous. Homogeneous. Homo. Not a heterogeneous mixture. You need a homogeneous mixture.
Mix it with that ice. Nice blend.
Cheers, friend. Tiki Tim's. Rock and roll. Happy 4th. Bingo.